Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the restore can run. Open Settings to verify C has at least 5% free. Once done, temporarily disable third-party antivirus because it often blocks restore operations. Next, run command prompt as administrator and reproduce the system restore attempt to capture the exact error code or message. This gives you a precise failure point to work from. Make sure to note that code. It determines whether you proceed with SFC, DISM, or restoring from safe mode. Now perform deeper repair actions to fix corrupted system files that block restore. Run SFC/scano from an elevated prompt and allow it to repair. If it reports fixes, reboot and try system restore again. If problems persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch healthy components. This can take 10-30 minutes. Once both complete, reboot into safe mode and attempt the system restore there to avoid background interference. These steps replace damaged files and reduce conflicts that cause errors. Finish by enabling system restore if it was off, create a new restore point, and attempt a normal restore to your chosen snapshot. If system restore still fails, boot to the Windows recovery environment, choose Troubleshoot right arrow advanced options right arrow system restore, or use startup repair first. If errors persist, restore from a known good system image or your backup. This bypasses system restore. Troubleshooting tip: if a specific error code recurs, search for that code. When running SFC/DISM, results to target the exact corrupted component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.